Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman and Lucy Lehman, and today we want to show you how to plant your dahlia tubers. If we haven't met yet, my name is Kelly Lehman. I'm the owner of Cranbury Fields Flower Farm here in Cranbury, New Jersey, and I love giving you guys fun, free flower tips. So please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell notification so you know whenever I post another fun, free flower tip video. So it's dahlia season, and everybody loves dahlias because they're those bright, gorgeous, beautiful flowers that will bloom in your garden all summer long, right up until the frost. And I want to show you some of these beautiful tubers that I got from DutchBulbs.com. They sent me a boatload of them. And we actually already went and we split some of them because some of these tubers were so giant that we were able to make 2 plants and sometimes even 3 plants out of just 1 cluster. Now I'll kind of show you what that looks like. But we made a video to show you exactly how to divide your tubers in case you're interested in learning how to do that too. So some of these tubers were so giant that we just split them right down the middle. And now I've got 2 different plants that I can put in 2 separate holes. So you're going to find a spot that has full sun because dahlias love sun. So make sure it has at least 8 hours of sunshine. You're going to dig your hole about 4 to 6 inches deep. And then you're going to add a little bit of organic compost. Some people like to add a little bit of equally balanced, slow-release fertilizer. Other people like to add a low nitrogen fertilizer, and some people choose not to fertilize at all. So it's up to you, and it depends on your soil needs. So I have a little bit of organic matter in here mixed with a little bit of equally balanced fertilizer. And you could also add a little bone meal if you want, but you don't have to. And I'm just going to give a little sprinkle to the bottom of the hole, mix it with some of the soil. It's important to have the eye facing up. That's that little red nub coming off the top of the tuber. So the eye is facing up. And when you place it in the hole, just do it very gently because that little eye is where the flower stem starts to grow from. And that's where your flower is going to come from. So be super careful as you're burying it. And I'm going to show you this one more time. And I'm going to gently put this in. I want to make sure I don't break the eyes. Once again, the eye is facing up. And these tubers are kind of on their side. So I'm going to gently place it in the hole, and I'm going to bury it. Be super careful when you're burying that you don't crack that eye off. I'm going to wait to water my dahlia in because dahlias are sometimes prone to root rot. So I'm going to wait until I start seeing some of those green sprouts breaking through the dirt, and then I'm going to start to water it in. And then just make sure that you keep up with the watering throughout the summer. It's a really great idea to install some soaker hoses so you can water your dahlias at the base of the plant. After I made this video, we had a week of 90-degree temperatures, and I didn't want my dahlias to dry out, so I wound up giving them a good watering in. But normally I would just wait for those little green sprouts to come up, and usually Mother Nature will take care of the watering in the beginning, but we had a real dry spell. So dahlias have a way of getting super, super tall, and a lot of them have those big, giant floral heads. So sometimes the wind and the rain will knock them to the ground. So it's a good idea to put in like a form of a staking system. So sometimes people will just put a couple bamboo shoots with some twine wrapped around it, and then the flower is balanced in the middle. I like to thank the fine folks over at DutchBulbs.com because they sponsored this video. And I'll put a link to their website below in case you're interested in buying some of their terrific dahlias for your own garden. And please say hi to us over on my Cranbury Fields Instagram page, and please say hi to us over on my Kelly Lehman's Flower Tribe Facebook group. There's gardeners from all over the world that are asking questions there and giving answers to each other, and it's a really fun garden place to hang out. So I will see you in the next video.